Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Eagle Italy Tech Center here in Turin. My name is Daniele, and together with you today, I would like to face process that is quite common. The cutting of protected uh, material. In this case, we are going to show you a 1 millimeter stainless with a thin coating on it, and there are two ways of facing this process. One is the standard one that where we do the thin burning. Actually, we actually burn the plastic before we go cutting. But with Eagle, we are using feature that is called fast approach. Means the machine is not doing the vaporization and is not stopping on the film. So this is avoiding bubbling of the film, and it's also giving you a better cutting quality. We are using only 4 kilowatts, and let's go on the machine to see the process. Cycle time with the vaporization is 42 seconds. The result is definitely a good result, okay? But as you can see, there is a black halo all around cutting edge. It's quite difficult to clean afterwards. Cycle time now is 23 seconds, so it's almost the half. Great result. As you can see, the part is cleaner. Cutting edge is definitely better. And most important thing, you are not wasting time doing vaporization. Thanks for listening and see you next time.